Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today what I'll be reviewing is the Urban Jungle Outfitters leggings and mask combo. So let's first check out the leggings. Over here, you see their little logo. On the front and the back, it's the same pattern. There's a nice thick band, super stretchy over here. And then the same pattern all the way down, front and back. It's made out of 82% polyester and 18% elastane, I think. This is the matching mask. And once again, their logo is over here. But it's basically just kind of goes like here and then all the way down so that it covers everything so that you're not exposed to anything. Go ahead and try it on. And there is the mask. And then it goes all the way down. Kind of scrunch it up a little bit. And over here are the leggings. So basically, they're super duper stretchy, feel super nice. If you were this skin tone, it would look like you just have like leaves on you. But it goes all the way here, cinches you up nicely at the waist. And overall, just a really nice pair of leggings. And there's their logo right there. So this is the full outfit right here. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this product review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!